How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're talking about this new product that hopefully comes out on the market from a company called Workshop 12. And basically this is to create a tablet Tesla style. I say Tesla style because that's what they use, are, tablets or whatever for their head unit, but that is to make it for our cars. Now, this whole time right now, I'll overlay their company website and kind of show some of the details, but basically it is a tablet head unit for our cars that will be able to control everything. All your, all the radio stuff, AC controls, all that stuff. Right now, I think there's only 3 deposits down, or there's 3 more deposits down. I put my deposit down. It's $200 for deposit. Total ending price is about $498. However, that can change, but that deposit you put down goes towards that final price. It is so far, I think right now, made to hold a 10.1-inch Samsung tablet, and those tablets are around another about $200-ish. For new, of course. If you buy a used one, it won't be, but right now they need 3 more deposits to get started on the 3D rendering and all that stuff to actually start making the actual piece. So if you are interested in it, guys, definitely hit it up. This is for the 05 to 07 G35 coupes, and I'm pretty sure the 05 to 06 sedans, it will fit for you sedan guys as well. I think I'm pretty sure because my JDM double din kit that I have right now for my 06 coupe, it's made for 05 to 07 coupes. However, it says it also fit the 05 to 06 sedan. So I think it's all the same. You can confirm with the company if you want, but I'm pretty sure it'll be the same. Unfortunately, for you 03 to 04 coupe owners, they're not making that right now. Their goal was to make the kit for the 05 to 07 first and then backtrack to 03 04s. However, if there's enough of you 03 04 guys that contact them and put a deposit down all at once, they will do you 03 04 guys as well at the same time. So that's something you guys could look further into. But this kit right now for the 05 to 07 coupes, I'll put their website and their Facebook in the description so you guys can check them out more. Definitely, if you guys are interested, put your deposit in. The G37 guys already have it done. They're on to the next phase of the renderings and the 3D modeling and all that. So let's get some love for the G35 guys like us. This will be an awesome product. I definitely want a tablet in my car. That'd be dope as shit. So guys, definitely check it out, and if you're interested, definitely put the deposit. I'll keep this video up as long as it takes. Then maybe when it goes into production, I might delete this video or not. But guys, for a really cool product, you can look more into them. They've done other cars you could look at. They've done 350 and 370Zs already. I'm almost positive. There's already videos out there. They're very detailed. It's they're not paying me at all to say this, guys. This isn't an advertisement. This is, I want this product for my car. I'm doing everything I can to hopefully make that happen. So again, guys, links are in the description. Check them out. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.